Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch model and case type because the removal method changes. Once done, remove the strap and place the watch face down on a soft pad to avoid scratches. Use a dust blower and magnifier to examine the seam so you know whether to pry or unscrew. Make sure to position the case opener correctly. Gripping wrong risks denting the shell. You want steady pressure and a controlled turn, not brute force. This protects the movement inside. Now you remove the crown and stem when necessary, so the movement can come free. This prevents bending the stem. Carefully lift the movement with plastic or wooden tweezers and set it in a movement holder, making sure the dial faces the same way for reassembly. Next, unthread any remaining screws and separate the bezel and gasket. Discard perished gaskets and measure thickness. Make sure to keep parts organized in labeled trays to speed the rebuild. Place the new shell parts together carefully and install a fresh gasket of the correct thickness, lightly lubricating it so it seals without slipping. Once the gasket sits, reseat the movement in the case, reinsert the stem, and tighten screws evenly to avoid distortion. Close the case with the proper tool and immediately perform a pressure or water resistance check if the watch was rated. Then verify timekeeping and all functions. If you see moisture or mismatched alignment, reopen and recheck gasket seating and stem position.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.